Okay, the good news about these problems is once you have your numbers, they're super easy. So the formula is going to be what you actually get over what in theory you should be able to get. Theoretical yield. I don't know if I spelled theoretical right. I can barely read it anyway. Anyway, times 100. Sweet. So now all we have to do is let's get our numbers. It tells us the actual in the problem. It says you got 28. So you were in the lab and you made 28 liters. So I'm going to start with that. 28 liters divided by what did we actually, what in theory we should have gotten 30. If we did everything perfect and we didn't lose anything, we should have gotten 30. That almost never happens. That's pretty much impossible. It's just really difficult to get things that good. Notice my units cancel. 28 divided by 30, I don't know. 93.93. 0.93 times 100 times 100, 93%. That's pretty good. 93%. That's really pretty good for a lab. So that's it. Super short. Tough stuff is behind us. Just make sure you know how to set it up. And we're really trying to get these numbers so we can do these problems to see what we can actually do in a lab. So enjoy these easier problems.